Hello and welcome back to Scratchwork Farm Models. So today's all about chain harrows. So chain harrowing, as the most of you know, is a very big event on the farm, but sort of model wise you can't really buy them anywhere. There was one place a few years ago where you could, but they were really expensive and they don't make them there anymore. So we're going to make our own today out of sort of very cheap materials. So to start off with, we've just got a piece of wire. I buy this in big grids at the garden centre. It's also what I make my fencing out of, and also 2 skewers. You could sort of make a frame and have it as a 3-point link chain harrow, but I'm just going to have mine as drag harrows because that's what I've got experience with in real life. So we're just going to do that. So we're going to cut a square out of this grid and cut these to size, and then this is the tracks that my chain harrows are going to be on, so I'm going to make them size for this. So with drag harrows, they can often be a lot wider than 3-point harrows sometimes, but they're still going to be reasonably sort of compact to get around the corners. So I'll see you back when I've cut everything to size. So I've got it cut to size now, and so I got this piece of wire that's going to sit behind it. Then you've got the back bar which drags down on the ground to sort of like flatten it afterwards, and then you go behind it with the roller. And then you've got the front bar, which is then where the chain comes off to the tractor. So I'm going to paint this all black, and then I'll show you when I'm hooking up some chain to it. So I've painted it, as you can see, and I've got a length of chain here, and also here I've got some new links which you squeeze together with pliers to connect it. So we'll start off with the front. So this is going to be our front bar, and then you'd have it, we'll also make a wire hook for this as it would be. So we're just going to use this as reference for size, if I can get it to stay on. And then you'd have your bar. You want a bit of distance between it because it's got a swing. So that's probably the right distance there. So yeah, that'd be good. So I'll cut that, glue that on, and see when I've done that. So I've got it sort of sorted now. I didn't end up using the grips. I just glued some chain in between it. So that's what I've come up with for the hitch side of it. And then we're gonna glue some chain. I'll show you how I did it for the back, and then that'll be us done. So we'll get a couple of short lengths. And then we'll stick one of them on there. Then we'll glue another piece in the middle, then glue them 2 pieces onto there, and I'll show you when I've done that. So that's that done. I've got the chains on the back, it's all linked up and it's looking quite good. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Leave any questions in the comments and see you again soon.